Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your everyday account. And what is everyday? Think about everyday as the space that you use every single day, powered by AI to get everything done. All your tasks, every single thing that you can think of, you can use the power of AI, plus whatever comes with it to get your task done. So to create an account is super easy, guys. All you have to do is head over to everyday.new, and on the upper right hand side you will see get started. You click on that and you can easily register. If you have a Gmail account, you can simply go ahead and continue with Google. Otherwise, enter your email and password, create your account, right? So I'm going to use the Google account option right here. Just simple click and sign in, select my email address right here, and that makes it super convenient. I'm going to click continue right here, and you can see right here that I am in, and that's it. That's how easy it is, guys. Very easy and very simple. They also offer an app that you can simply install on your phone. So if you want to use every day as well on your mobile, I recommend simply install that. You can easily search for it on your phone. That makes it super easy. But for now, I'm going to say maybe later. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.